हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट के जो आपकी टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। ये पार्ट 2 है। पार्ट 1 हमारे चैनल में ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुका है। जिसने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है वह पहले पार्ट 1 देखें, फिर यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करें। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Question number 21. Supportive friends and family provide dash by raising the individual that she is loved, valued, and cared for. Options are A. Emotional support, B. Tangible support, C. Informational support, D. Financial support. So the right answer is option A. Emotional support. Question number 22. Dash is a behavior or skill that helps to communicate clearly and confidently our feelings, needs, wants, and thoughts. Options are positive attitude, perfectionism, assertiveness, rational thinking. So the right answer is option C, assertiveness. Question number 23. The study that focus on the link between the brain, mind, and immune system is called dash. Options are psychoneuroimmunology, psychoimmunology, psychoneurology, immunology. So the right answer is option A, psychoneuroimmunology. Question number 24. Dash are enduring beliefs about an ideal mode of behavior. Options are preferences, interest, attitudes, values. So the right answer is option D, values. Question number 25. Helen took a and dash which indicated that she could excel in typing and highlighted it in her resume while looking for jobs. Options are multiple attitude, specialized attitude, interest, achievement. So the right answer is option B, specialized attitude. Question number 26. Dash is identified as a facet of intelligence in Indian tradition that explains qualities like self-regulation, self-monitoring of emotions, honesty, good conduct, and politeness. Options are emotional competence, social competence, cognitive capacity, entrepreneurial competence. So the right answer is option A, emotional competence. Question number 27. The correlation between test scores of identical twins is dash. Options are first, higher than they are raised together than when they are raised apart. Option 2, greater rather than that for fraternal twins raised together. Lower than that for any other blood relatives the same whether they are reared together apart. चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। अब हमें इसमें से ऑप्शंस चुनने हैं। ए 1 and 3rd, बी 1 and 2nd, सी 3rd and 4th, डी 1 and 4th. So the right answer is option B, 1 and 2nd. Question number 28. Tanisha works at night in a call center, travels amidst heavy traffic to reach her workplace, and sleeps during the day and night. This is challenging and is an dash. Options are hassle, traumatic event, life event, environmental stress. So the right answer is option A, hassle. Question number 29. The distribution of IQ scores dash is approximately normal or bell-shaped, falls off abruptly above 100, reveals a difference in the average for men and women, shows that most people scores between 90 and 109. Choose the correct option. इसमें जो correct है वो हमें चुनना है. So options are 1 and 3rd, 1 and 2nd, 1 and 4th, 2nd and 4th. So the right answer is option C, 1 and 4th. Question number 30. A teacher might assume that a well-behaved student is also bright and motivated, before they have objectively evaluated the student's capacity in these areas. Identify the phenomenon. Options are A. Middle category bias, social desirability, halo effect, extreme response bias. So the right answer is option C, halo effect. Question number 31. The Minnesota Multifaceted Personality Inventory helps to diagnose neuroticism, psychoticism, sociability, PTSD, schizophrenia, schizophrenia, paranoia, depression. चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है वो हमें चुनना है. ऑप्शंस आर 1 and 3rd, 2nd and 1st, 3rd and 4th, and 2nd and 4th. So the right answer is option C, 3rd and 4th. Question number 32. Which factor is true of people who are low in self-efficacy? They feel less fearful and do not shy away from taking risks. They avoid challenges and allow people to select and shape their environment. They don't believe that luck and fate control their life's outcome. It can be enhanced by presenting weak role models. Choose the correct option. अब इसमें जो करेक्ट है वो हमें चुनना है. 1st and 3rd, 2nd and 1st, 3rd and 4th, 2nd and 4th. So the right answer is D, 2nd and 4th. Question number 33. Which of the following statements are true about self as an object? Self is an entity that does something. Self is being described as a knower. Self gets observed and comes to be known. Self is an entity on which something is being done. तो सेल्फ के उसमें से हमारा कौन सा जो है करेक्ट ऑप्शन है? 1st and 3rd, 2nd and 1st, 1st and 4th, 3rd and 4th. So the right answer is option D, 3rd and 4th. हमारे पेपर में इस बार CBSE ने रूल निकाला है कि assertion रीजन्स भी आएंगे. तो यहाँ पे assertion रीजन आपको दिए गए हैं. assertion मैं पढ़ती हूँ. There may be many people who are academically talented but are unsuccessful in their own lives. Reason: the source of their difficulty is lack of emotional intelligence. तो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option A. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 35. Assertion: past process operates on a knowledge base developed either formally through reading and writing and experimenting, or informally from the environment. Reason: the functioning of these processes are not interdependent on each other. So the options are both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option C. A is true, R is false. Question number 36. A strong sense of self-efficacy allows people to select, influence, and construct the circumstances of their own life. रीज़न इसमें दिया गया है people's expectations of mastery or achievement and their convictions about their own effectiveness determine the types of behavior they engage in. Options are both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option A. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 37. Latika overthinks and worries about achieving her goals. Thus, the stress that she generates for herself in her mind is most likely to be dash. Options are environmental stress, physical stress, psychological stress, social stress. So the right answer is option C, psychological stress. Question number 38. Neurotic people have control over their feelings. This is assertion, and the reason is neurotic people are anxious, moody, touchy, restless, and quick to lose control. So the options are both A and are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option D. A is false, R is true. A it means assertion and R it means reason. Okay. Question number 39. Assertion. A people who have strong aggressive tendencies may see other people as being excessively aggressive towards him या her. Reasons. People adopt an ego defense mechanism called projection, in which they attribute their own traits to others. Options are both A and are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option A. Both A and are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 40. This is the last question but not least. Assertion. Behavioral ratings suffer from major limitations like acquiescence. Reasons. Raters have a tendency to place individuals in the middle of a scale by avoiding extreme positions. Options are both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. So the right answer is option D. A is false, R is true. Hope you like the video. पार्ट 3 अब हम इसका आगे बनाएंगे. पार्ट 1 ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुका है. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो पहले आप हमारे चैनल में पार्ट 1 देखें, देन यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करें. थैंक यू सो मच. वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आगे कोई भी वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो. थैंक यू.